This year, both Apple and Samsung are set to release slimmer high-end smartphones, and today a new report from Korea brings us some more details about them. The iPhone 17 Air will replace the iPhone 16 Plus, as for years now the Plus model in the line has been the worst selling. Interestingly, however, the iPhone 17 Air is now rumored to cost about the same as the iPhone 16 Plus, so you're not really going to have to pay a premium for that slimness. Speaking of which, the report goes on to claim that the iPhone 17 Air will be 6.25 millimeters thick, which is thicker than we've previously heard. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim, on the other hand, will be mid-6 millimeters thick, so we assume about 6.5 millimeters. The Slim is expected to be presented at Samsung's next Unpacked event taking place later this month, but won't become available for a few months. Apple's iPhone 17 Air should launch alongside the rest of the iPhone 17 family in September. Samsung allegedly hastily started developing the Galaxy S25 Slim after hearing about Apple's plans for the iPhone 17 Air. The Galaxy S25 Slim is said to be cheaper than the Galaxy S25 Ultra, so it might slot into the range in between the top-of-the-line model and the Galaxy S25 Plus, price-wise.